We are high-class lighting group, a professional manufacturer of solar street lights and solar floodlights. This is one of our solar street lights. It can be with different power, like 200 watts, 300 watts, and 400 watts. This is 400 watts. It's with both round LED chips. It has 3 lighting control modes: dusk to dawn, motion sensor, and remote control. The most significant feature of this lamp is its special surface. You can see that the surface is not flat. It's a 3-dimensional surface composed of 3 sides, 1, 2, 3. With this surface, the illumination range of the light can be enlarged a lot, so it's very bright. Okay, thank you.